Afternoon to everyone. My name is Answeta. I am from 8th class. Today I am saying about the tattered blanket from my textbook. Gopi is working in Delhi with his wife Vimala and his kids. He had a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram, so he just dropped on his back at his home. Amma was lying in an armchair on the veranda. Kamala also sat on the tinna. When Gopi's car stopped at the gate, then Amma noticed that there is someone at the gate. Then Kamala saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man. It's Gopi. Amma asked that who is he? Then Gopi answered that it's me, Amma, Gopi. Then Amma asked again and again who is he? Then again Gopi said it's me, Amma. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Do you know my son? Then Gopi tried to remember her, but it's failed. Then Amma asked again, do you know my son? Then Gopi said, yes, I know. If you know my son, please say to him to send me a new red band blanket to protect myself from a cold mist. When my son was studying at Madras, he bought me a blanket. Now it was totally tattered. So please say to him to send me a new red band blanket. Then Kamala took Amma to the bed and she came back onto the veranda. Then Gopi noticed that I want to sell the land and go away with the money. Then Kamala said, if you sell the land, you will never come to see us. Then Gopi said, if I got any time, I will come definitely. Here actually it was who didn't remember his Amma. So let us all take care of our parents.
We are from class 8. Today I am going to tell about Holi festival. The story of Prahalad and Holika. There was a demon king called Hiranyakashipu who believed that he was more powerful than gods. But his son Prahalad did not worship his father. Instead, he worshipped God Vishnu. This made Hiranyakashipu so angry. Then he decided to kill his son. Prahalad was attacked in many ways, but God Vishnu saved him. Then finally, Hiranyakashipu asked his divine sister Holika to kill Prahalad. Holika could not hurt by fire, so she decided to use this magical power to kill Prahalad. She pulled him into her lap and sat in the middle of it, did not like her evils and took away her magical power. Prahalad sat in fire and prayed Vishnu. So he returned safely from fire. Prahalad burned away. The death of Holika made people happy. So the day is known as Holi, where always good wins on evils. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Sridevi. I am studying in 8th class. Today my topic is uses of water. Water is important in our life. Without water we can't live. Water is the reason why life exists and grow on earth. 70% of earth is made of water, which only 3% fresh water is for human consumption. Water support all of life and planets. Human beings use water for drinking, bathing, washing, in agriculture, in industries and in factories. More than 60% of human bodies made up of water. Thank you.
I am studying in 8th standard. Today's my topic is about grandparents. Grandparents are special people with wisdom and pride. They are always offering their love and kindness. They are always there to guide. They help us out in every way that they can. They love all the grandchildren with devotion and kindness. They love all their whether children or a woman. Their arms are always open no matter what did wrong. Granny is a special friend which I know can depend me, cheer me with a song and always learn right from wrong. So many memories we will share. Our days filled with love and affection. We will jump in great big muddy puddles and warm our hearts with yummy cuddles. I think I am so lucky. Shall party will always play. I love you more than words can say. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sinadini. I am studying in 8th class. My topic about favorite day. My favorite day is my birthday. Birthday is everyone's most memorable day of life. My birthday is on 25th January 2008. I celebrate my birthday with great joy. I will invite my friends, relatives to my birthday party. In the evening, my friends, relatives, neighbors come to my house. They gave me lots of gifts and best wishes, and I gave all of them a set of books. My mother bakes a delicious cake. My house is fully decorated with flowers, lamps and balloons. I feel very special and enjoy the day very much. Every year I wait for my birthday. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Deep Pragati. I am studying in 8th class. Today my topic about my school. My school name is Pasha Public School. I am studying in 8th class. It is near to my house. We have good teachers in our school. My school is best school in Neretmet. We have big stage in our school. I am proud to study in this school. We are 400 students in our school. At home and school we speak only English. We have big ground to play. We have a computer lab, AV room and etc. Thank you.
Afternoon to everyone. My name is Deepika. I am from 8th class. Today I am going to tell about my favorite person. My favorite person is Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule is an Indian reformer, educationalist and poet from Maharashtra. She was born in 3rd January 1831. She is regarded as the first ever school for girls in the country in 1848 at Bidwada, Pune. She is considered as one of the best pioneers of feminist movement in India. By 1851, she set up 3 schools and encouraged women to attend school by offering stipends. She stood up against sati, child marriage, caste system in the society. Her husband Jyotirao Phule was one of the pillar of support to her in spreading awareness about women education. She set up a clinic for plague in 1897 with her adopted Yeshwant. She passed away in March 10, 1897 due to bubonic plague disease that hit the world. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Shubhalaji. I am from class 8. Today my topic is importance of speaking English. When we speak English, we get jobs opportunities. When we know the English language, make it much more interesting every trip. When we anywhere you can want to go in another country, we can change our voice in emotional and funny. When we speak English lessons, there is emotional and funny. We can read English lesson. We can change our voice in emotional and funny. Most of people talk in English. Thank you.
My name is Great. I am from 8th class. My topic is about uses of news. Full form of news is important for a number of reasons within a society. News spread awareness on issues or interest in health. Chronic news is the part of communication that spread awareness to solve problems in society. News is the way advertising something can cause conflict and interest. In this way, news is reported. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Saraj. I am from 8th standard. Today I am telling about importance of writing. Writing is a primary base which upon one's learning and in telling will be judged. Writing skills it also fosters. Writing skills also explain ourselves and others too. Writing is important and part of communication skills. Thank you.
And today I am going to tell the importance of punctuality. Punctuality is a key to success. It builds our personality. It is an important quality of a leader. It brings integrity to our life. It helps us to do our work on time. Punctual people are respected by everyone. Brings professional success. It builds self-confidence. Punctual people saves time for themselves and other people. Punctual people have a lot of time to do other activities. Punctual people are healthy and fit. To be a successful person in life, only hard work is not important. To be a successful person in a life, smart work is also important. And the most important point, the dedication. And my word was up to the dedication. After exploring and experiencing the punctuality, I have increased my word. The dedications comes from the punctuality. Punctuality is a way to get the infinite ideas. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Raghavendra. Today I am studying in 8th class. Today I am telling poem. The last sick receives you like swarm the rockstar with the best perfume. Such a matter her thrill and our illumined monthly bill. And I with the silver lining bro. We have never come to blow. I never raise my voice because I take choice. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Vedant. I am studying in 8th class. Today I am telling about my classroom. The classroom is a place where we all come together and learn. We spend 4.5 hours in our classroom with our teachers and friends. Classroom is our second house and we keep our classroom clean and tidy. We learn all the subjects daily in our classroom. Recently, we have decorated our classroom with educational charts from our textbooks and suggestions of our teachers. We invited our principal sir to our classroom. Our principal sir felt very happy after seeing the classroom. Some of the charts in our classroom are laws of exponents, electric circuit, rockets, etc. Thank you.
My name is Varun Tej. I am studying in 8th class. Today I am reciting a poem, The Garden Within. There is a garden in my heart where beauty grows in fits and stars, where smiles are the petals from the flowers, bestowed by others from their bows, nutritious hope wraps seeds to feed, my spirit is for its every need, with gratitude I will reach my goal, to touch the eyes of my soul. Thank you.
Also, I am studying in 8th class. Today my topic is importance of uniform. Uniform gives students sense of belonging to a particular school, create a identity for the school in the community. School uniform have many advantages and disadvantages. It can help distinguish students from other people. School uniform makes students feel equal. School uniforms are very beneficial for students, create a healthy learning environment. Uniform shows that you are a part of an organization. School uniform not only helps students to be distinct from other people, wearing a uniform is a badge of pride. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashwant. I am studying in 8th class. Today my topic is about the author. My favorite author is Ravindranath Tagore. He was born in 1861 to 1941. He is popularly known as Vishwakavi and Gurudev. He awarded Nobel Prize in Literature of Gitanjali, the song of offerings. He is founder of Shantiniketan and experimental schools. Each of his poems reflects to his motherland. He considered the voice of Indian heritage and spiritualism. Thank you.
And my name is Lokesh. My topic is about teachers. A teacher is a person who can help people to learn. A teacher is often works in a classroom. There is many subject teachers. A teacher is a person who can help to learn good habits. Reading, learning. A teacher guides us to achieve our goals. Without teacher, there is no proper education. Thank you.
I am Akhil. I am studying in 8th class. Today I am telling a poem. Earth and globe pen. Oh silent globe pen, red from head to heel. How did you feel when he been a trivial upon the potter wheel? Before the potter gave to the world, I felt cleansed, improved my clay to break away. The great potter hands to bend so warm. I felt a vast, a feeling of sorrow to be cast into my present form. Before the fatal lover that saw me a captive on the potter wheel, and my cast into chrisms on the global sleep. I used to feel a frank friendship of a little flower whose root in my bosom seemed to burn it deep. Thank you.
My name is Akshay. I am from 8th class. Today I am telling the story of woodcutter. In a few days ago, there was a woodcutter who lived in village. He cut the trees daily and sell into the market and earn the money. He will run the house. Few days he went nearby the lake. When he is cutting the trees, the axe fell down into the lake and he will cry. After a few minutes, the God will come from the lake and tell, what happened son, why are you crying? The woodcutter will tell, my axe fell down into the lake, please you can remove it. The angel, I will remove it. She will remove the golden axe. Then she asks to he, it is your axe? The woodcutter will tell, no, my axe is wooden axe. After that she will remove the iron axe and tell, it is yours? No, the woodcutter will tell, my axe was wooden axe, and she will remove the wooden axe and give to him. She will tell, you are the honest person, that's why I am giving you that 3x. Moral of story is, be honest.
And my name is Arjun. I am studying in 8th class. Today I am telling a poem. Where is a garden in my heart? Where is a beauty in my star? Thank you.
My name is Pranit. I am studying in 8th class. Today I am telling a funny story. The story name is In the Zoo. One day Danny and with his father went to the zoo. The Danny was very excited to see the different types of birds and animals. After a while, they came to the front of a lion cage. Danny's father was telling, "See, the lions are very strong and fierce." The Danny was listening very attentively. Danny asking father if the lion came out from the cage, eat up you, then how will you reach to the home? Tell me the route of to the reach home. The Danny's father laughed with this unconnected questions of son. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is E. Ramabu. I am studying in 8th class. My topic is about favorite subject. My favorite subject is maths, as I love to play with numbers and solve mathematical problems. Maths gives me a lot of satisfaction and boosts my energy thinking capacity while studying. I love number game and solve mathematical problems for hour at a strength without getting bored.
I am studying in 8th class. Today my topic is about Dr. Dwarkanath Kotnis. Dr. Dwarkanath Kotnis was born in a lower middle class family on October 10, 1910. Coming from a family of doctors, Dr. Kotnis aspired to become a doctor. He completed his graduation in medicine and went on to pursue his post-graduation internship. The Communist General Zhu D requested Jawaharlal Nehru to send some Indian physicians to help the war victims. Dr. Kotnis was one of the 5 doctors who returned to India. Dr. Kotnis decided to stay there and serve at the military base. He started his work in Yan'an and joined in 8th Road Army General Hospital as a physician in charge. Dr. Dwarkanath Kotnis fell in love with Georg England, a Chinese nurse. He married her in November 1941, and they had a son, Hinua, on August 20.